What is up, guys? My name is Sachthemotive. Welcome to my music channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a trap beat. But before we go on to that, like, share, subscribe, show some support, really appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button, please. Right, without any further ado, let me show you what to do first. Start off with a boutique 808. Sounds something like this. Sounds nice, right? Oof. Okay, so this is what I've got. So you lay down that pattern, or any pattern you want. You don't have to copy that pattern because this is your music and this is your beat. Next we move on to a hi-hat or a hat. Just basically plays throughout the whole beat. See a little variation? So vary it however you want. First line up the whole beat like and then add a little variation. Just keeps the ear candy going. Next up we have a clap. The clap you can just put anywhere that sounds good. Sorted. After that, what we got? A kick. You need a kick to make it thump. That's what you need. The kick is everything. The kick basically complements the bass, the 808. So just line them up and then put the kick on. I'll play them side by side just to make you hear that. You ready? Sorted. There are a lot of tutorials on kicks and where to place them and stuff, so I won't go too into that in this video. If you want info on that, just comment below and I probably will make one. What we got next? Bells. Add bells or soften the beat, make it feel more vibey. Same bells, these are the same but different patterns, that's all it is. Next up is a evolving current, which is basically a synth. So you want to add a synth and that'll really get your trap beat moving. See that? Just pull out a chord and just dump it in. Easy. Okay, after that I've added coffee shop. Basically percussions. You can add your own percussions, make them yourself, but I was being a bit lazy, so listen to this. The Logic Pro percussions are very good. I don't know about other duos, but Logic has very good percussion. Look at it. You can even like tweak them up and stuff like that. It's really good. Really, really good. And now we have a festival lead. That gives it that energy vibe of you're flying. So when you're, I don't know, you're chilling, you're having a beer or something, or you're drinking or smoking a joint or whatever you're doing, I don't know, and you're relaxed, it puts you in a relaxed state and your beat, your trap beat will sound good. Watch. You like that? So now when I play them all together, they will sound something like this. Click, 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 and press play. Yo! You like that? Right, that beat sounds hard. Hard! And now I'm going to play the whole thing to you from the beginning. And that is how you make a trap beat. Like, share, subscribe, comment below,
And I hope that helped. Watch this. Listen up.
Hey yo, this Bush Rhymes, the general of the conglomerate movement. Salute the homie Satch and play her. Alright, we gonna get straight to the banger called Millie on my Lambo. Alright, y'all know what it is, y'all know what I do. Let's get to it.
See I'm making money, yo. I made a milli right here, yo. Made a milli right here, yo. Made a milli right here, yo, milli. And I bought myself my Lambo. Bought my Lambo, bought myself my...
So that, oh yeah, that was Busta Rhymes, by the way. Check it out, I got the full beat on my channel. Just look for it. Millie on my Lambo, and it's on Spotify as well. So Busta Rhymes gave me a little shout out. Loved it. Brilliant. Honestly, I'm gassed. Can't explain. It's amazing. I never thought I'd see that day. It's Busta Rhymes, man. Madness. Guys, thank you for watching. Over and out.